The end of pressure testing of drain pipes as we know it, featuring Bob the Builder. All new pipe systems have to be pressure tested to make sure muck cannot flow out into the ground, and that rainwater cannot get into the foul drain, causing mayhem at the sewerage plant. Since the 1930s, this test has been done using mechanical stoppers. The basic design has not been changed since the 1930s, and as all us builders know, they are a pain in the butt to use. How many times have I been upside down on a rainy day trying to get these plugs to seal? Don't mention it. But now there is a revolutionary new way that is not only easier to use and to get a perfect seal every time, but is also very cost effective.
Very important nowadays, I should say. We are all trying to cut down on the time to test drains so we can get our work approved and pass on to other more exciting jobs. Tell me more.
Horobin has developed a range of inflatable PVC air bags. These are made of a rubberized PVC material, so they naturally grip the sides of the pipes.
And the ribs stop the bag slipping down the pipe, even if it's wet?
Correct. You can also see that the bag is 4 inches long. That means that the bag seals over a 4-inch length of pipe, whereas a mechanical stopper only seals over about half an inch.
So it is much more likely to get a guaranteed seal.
Correct. The bag is also self-centering, so there is no more messing around trying to get the plug at right angles to get the seal.
Gosh, so how do you inflate it?
Just use a bicycle pump. There's a shroud valve at the end of the inflation hose. Unscrew the cap, screw on the pump, and you are ready. Put the bag into the pipe and pump away. Now you can see 2 more advantages of Horobin's design. The bag can be pushed right into the pipe, so if you want to test the pipe seals between the inspection chamber and the main pipe run, that's easy. All manufacturers of pipes tend to make their pipes of slightly different diameters. Mechanical stoppers struggle with some sizes of modern pipe, but that's no problem for Horobin's inflatable bags. They simply grow from one size to another. The 100mm bag will fit any diameter of pipe, from 90mm all the way up to 115mm.
That's clever. But this bag is like the old-fashioned canvas airbags and does not have the through tube for doing my air test.
Horobin have developed an inflatable PVC airbag with a through tube. Like the mechanical plug, there's a 1/2-inch tube right through the middle of the bag with a cap on it. Unscrew the cap, screw on a nipple cap, and hey presto, you've got a bag that can be used for an air test just like those old-fashioned stoppers we all hate so much.
Great. But am I still stuck with mechanical stoppers for bigger pipes?
No, Horobin is at hand. Just launched is their multi-dimensional bags, the small one which grows from 8 inches all the way up to 12, and now they have a big boy who grows from 14 inches all the way up to 18 inches. Can you imagine that? Our poor old friends at the builders merchants no longer have to stock masses of sizes of stoppers, just one bag fits all sizes.
And Horobin no doubt offer this as a kit?
Of course. In one box comes a multi-dimensional bag and the full air testing kit.
Okay, you have convinced me that this is the way I should be testing pipes in future. No more bum in the air messing around with mechanical stoppers. Simply put the bag into the pipe, set up on the ground, inflate the bag, and Bob's my uncle.
Correct. But Horobin have got an even more exciting card up their sleeve. You know about the new regulations on non-entry inspection chambers?
Yes, the width of the manhole has been reduced so kids cannot fall down and get stuck.
That's right. And there are even more restrictions on men entering the inspection chamber to carry out air tests.
Some of these chambers can be up to 3 meters deep, so how on earth are you going to test these?
Horobin has developed its own remote access testing kit. The kit has a telescopic pole that allows the inflatable airbags to be lowered down into the inspection chamber and inserted into the pipe without a man having to go down at all. The kit has extension hoses both for inflating the bags and for carrying out your air test.
That's great for below ground drainage pipes, but what about testing above ground pipes?
No problem. These inflatable PVC bags can be used for any type of pipe in any situation. Horobin makes small bags for plumbers 25mm, 32mm, 40mm and 50mm. They can be used on waste pipes, water pipes, in fact any type of pipe. For high-rise buildings, the 4 and 6 inch bags can be fitted with longer lengths of inflation hose, normally 5 meters long. A bag can be lowered down the soil stack from one floor to another. All the toilet connections are then sealed with 4-inch bags, and then the whole soil stack is ready for testing to check the seals. In Dubai, they test 3 floors at one time. Imagine how much time this saves.
So this really is the end of pressure testing drain pipes as we know it.
That's right. It can all be done on the surface. I will never have to go down into a drain again and get my bum wet. Thank God for Horobin. Horobin, making Bob the Builder's life more easy.